If you literally just unboxed a brand new drone, you might want to sit down. Better yet, check the return window on your receipt right now. The world of sub-250g drones just hit an absolute breaking point, and what we are about to reveal changes the entire landscape for creators, professionals, and hobbyists alike. We all thought the recent Mini 5 Pro pushed the absolute limits of what was legally possible without dealing with strict FAA registrations here in the United States, or CAA rules in the UK. But the massive DJI Mini 6 Pro leaks that are currently shaking the industry are proving us completely wrong. We are talking about confirmed supply chain whispers of a massive 1-inch Stacked CMOS sensor. We are talking about 6K video capabilities. And most shockingly, a game-changing miniaturized LiDAR system that brings professional-level, pitch-black night vision obstacle avoidance to a drone that physically fits inside your jacket pocket. This isn't just your standard yearly incremental update. This is a generational leap. This is a total rewrite of the rules of aerial cinematography. Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for the bleeding edge of technology before it ever hits the shelves. We separate the hype from the reality. Today, we are breaking down every single leak, patent, and insider report about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why this upcoming release is about to make every other travel drone on the market completely obsolete. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you listen closely to the camera specs we are about to drop, because it changes everything. Let's dive in. Let us start with the most explosive leak of them all, the completely redesigned camera payload. For years, premium content creators, professional cinematographers, and serious tech enthusiasts have been begging for a true 1-inch sensor on a sub-250g drone. DJI always held back, likely to protect the sales of their heavier, drastically more expensive Mavic series. But with the competition from other manufacturers heating up globally, DJI is reportedly pulling out all the stops for the Mini 6 Pro. Supply chain leaks and highly credible insider reports strongly point to a brand new 1-inch Stacked CMOS sensor. What does this mean for you in the real world? It means the low light performance is going to be absolutely staggering. Imagine flying right after sunset over the skyline of New York, or during the early morning blue hour in the Pacific Northwest, and getting zero digital noise. You are going to get perfectly crisp shadows, vivid highlights, and an incredible dynamic range that was previously impossible on a mini drone. A stacked sensor processes light and data at lightning speeds, which drastically reduces the dreaded rolling shutter effect when you are flying at high speeds or tracking fast-moving subjects like sports cars or downhill mountain bikers. But wait, it actually gets crazier. The latest processing chip leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro will support 6K video recording at 30 frames per second, alongside flawless 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth, cinematic slow motion. If you shoot high-end content for YouTube, TikTok, or luxury real estate in premium markets across the US, Europe, or Australia, having 6K resolution is your ultimate safety net. It means you can punch in, crop, digitally zoom, and reframe your shots in post-production without losing a single pixel of pristine 4K quality. You are essentially getting the raw power of a Hollywood-grade camera rig, but you are flying it completely under the radar of heavy commercial drone regulations. But let's be honest, a massive, expensive camera is entirely useless if you end up crashing it straight into a tree branch. And that brings us to the next massive upgrade that will keep you glued to your controller. The revolutionary obstacle avoidance system. The Mini series has always been relatively good at dodging things in broad daylight, but the moment the sun goes down or the shadows get harsh, those traditional optical sensors become virtually blind. According to the latest patent filings and industry whispers making waves this week, DJI is integrating a miniaturized LiDAR system into the Mini 6 Pro. Yes, you heard that correctly. LiDAR on a drone that weighs less than an apple. This technology uses millions of invisible lasers to map the physical environment. Meant in real time, creating a highly accurate 3D mesh of your surroundings. This means the Mini 6 Pro will feature true omnidirectional obstacle avoidance even in pitch-black darkness. Whether you are flying through a dense, unpredictable forest canopy at twilight, navigating incredibly complex urban environments with hidden power lines, or relying on the active track system to autonomously follow you down a winding mountain road, the drone will literally see the invisible. It is a foolproof, stress-free safety net that is going to save countless creators from destroying their expensive gear. You will never have to sweat bullets while flying backwards again. Now, let us talk about staying connected, because dropping a video signal mid-flight is the ultimate nightmare for any pilot. The current generation of drones is fantastic, but the Mini 6 Pro is reportedly stepping up to DJI's flagship O5 transmission system. Why does O5 matter so much? If you live in a premium, highly populated market like the United States, the UK, or Canada, you know that wireless signal interference is absolutely everywhere. Wi-Fi towers, cellular grids, power lines, and dense city architecture constantly fight against your drone's connection. O5 transmission doesn't just promise a ridiculous maximum theoretical range, rumored to be pushed all the way up to 25 kilometers, but much more importantly, it provides a bulletproof, crystal clear 1080p live feed directly to your controller in areas heavily flooded with interference. You will finally have the ultimate confidence to fly behind buildings, dip through deep valleys, and maneuver around heavy concrete structures without your screen glitching out, lagging, or losing control. It is all about giving you the uninterrupted peace of mind to focus purely on getting that one perfect cinematic shot, rather than panicking about your automatic return to home failsafes unexpectedly kicking in. And just how long will you be able to stay in the air to nail that perfect shot? The battery capacity leaks are arguably the most unbelievable part of the entire Mini 6 Pro puzzle. Industry analysts and early manufacturing leaks are pointing to a brand new high-energy solid-state battery chemistry that could push the maximum flight time to a mind-bending 60 minutes with the Plus battery option. Even with the standard, ultralight battery designed to keep the drone strictly under the legal 249-gram limit, we are looking at a solid 45 minutes of real-world flight time. Think about what that does for your entire creative workflow. You can launch the drone, hunt for the perfect composition from the sky, wait patiently for the lighting to be absolutely flawless, shoot your video from multiple angles, and fly back, all on a single charge. There is no more landing every 20 minutes in a panic to swap batteries while you watch the perfect golden hour light fade away to darkness. So, the million-dollar question: when can you get your hands on it, and how much is it going to drain from your wallet? While DJI notoriously keeps their cards close to their chest, the historical release cycle and current global supply chain rumblings point directly to a late 2026 launch event. As for the price, you need to be prepared. All of this premium, pro-level technology won't come cheap. Expect the base model to see a slight but noticeable price bump from the previous generation, likely starting around the $850 mark, with the highly coveted Fly More combo pushing well past the $1,150 range. But when you truly step back and consider that you are getting heavy-duty, flagship-level specs packed into a stealthy, sub-250g package that you can take absolutely anywhere in the world, the value proposition is undeniably brilliant. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is rapidly shaping up to be the ultimate cheat code for aerial cinematography, completely blurring the line between consumer tech and professional filmmaking gear. But we want to turn the question over to you. Is the rumored 1-inch stack sensor, 60-minute battery, and LiDAR night vision enough to make you open your wallet and upgrade your current setup? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments section below, because we read every single one. Thank you so much for tuning in to TechVibe today. If this deep dive gave you the clarity you needed, make sure you smash the like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on our zero fluff, authentic tech truths. Stay creative, fly safe. And we will see you in the next video.